Hello children, I've got Fred with me again today and we have got a sound of the week. Our sound this week is I want to see if you can be challenged to go around your house and find lots of different things starting with the sound. You can come with me and together we'll see what Miss Saboor has got in her house starting with our sound I have also found a mug. Mug. And here we have a mop. Mop. I have also found something else that starts with the sound mouse. Ouse. Mouse. Fred and me are looking forward to seeing all the different things that you find starting with the sound. Before we go, we can do some quick Fred talking as well with our sound of the week. Let's see what sounds Fred has got for me. D. D. Mud. P. Map. See you in our next video.